Hello, today we are doing lab for CompTIA CySA, and this lab is about using command line tools. Introduction. Command line tools are programs that allow users to interact with the operating system and other applications through the use of text-based commands. These are scripts, programs, and libraries that have been created with the unique purpose of solving a problem. Make directory, move, ls, password, and grep. The command stands for make directory, the mv move, ls for list, the password changes passwords. Grep stands for global irregular expression print. Open terminal, make directory version, make directory copyright version 3 or later. This is free software. You are free to change and redistribute it. There is no warranty to the extent permitted by law. Okay. Make directory v, probably version alpha, beta, gamma. Created alpha, beta, gamma. Part B, using move and list commands. ls root mv alpha delta ls root space root um move alpha to delta alpha. Okay, alpha delta, and there is no alpha anymore, and here there is alpha. Okay, good. Now part C, using the password command sudo password root, unable to resolve host name or service not known, new password. Sudo command can be used. Okay, when asked a new password, type encrypt123. Encrypt123. Okay, encrypt123. Okay, encrypt123. Updated successfully. Okay, execute the following command to change the password for root. When asked, sudo command can be used to invoke root privileges by normal users. Okay. Uh, Part D, using the grep command echo we encrypt and decrypt data. Echo we encrypt and decrypt data by using symmetrical key, symmetric and asymmetric encryption algorithms, symmetric and asymmetric encryption algorithms in symmetric. We have a single key and in asymmetric two keys. Okay, a single key that is used to encrypt and decrypt. Single key that is used to encrypt and decrypt the data. The data in asymmetric. We have a pair of keys. We oh no. Oh no. What happened? In asymmetric, we have a pair of keys. All right, now we are going to, oops, now we are going to encrypt uh wait. Encrypt txt. Okay, encrypt. This is the name of text file txt. Okay. In terminal window, execute the following command to find the number of lines that match the given string pattern. Okay, grab C decrypt encrypt. Hey. Calm down. Okay, encrypt txt. One. In the terminal window, execute the following command to display only the matched string. Grep O encrypt encrypt text. No such file. And okay, that's why, because I made a mistake. Okay, and really, okay, encrypt. Come on. This is Microsoft Edge. It shouldn't do it. Okay. Encrypt. Okay. I want to ask chat about these commands. Explain each command and option. Grep a command line tool used to search for patterns, strings, or regex in files. Regex. C. This option tells Grep to count the number of lines that contain the matching pattern instead of showing the actual matches. Decrypt the search pattern string you are looking for inside the file. Okay. The file being searched. Option tells to count. Count. C is for count. The number of lines. Okay. This is decrypt test. Another decrypt here. Encrypt, but not decrypt. So it's 3 times. Oh, this option tells grep to print only the part of the line that matched, not the whole line. Okay. If it prints only the word encrypt each time it is found in the file. Example, this is encrypt test, encrypt. Encrypt. Okay, so this one prints the words that match that we are looking for. And this counts, and this is only. O is for only, C is for count. Okay, good. That's all. That's all. Evaluation. Count line tools are not executed. Make sure you have correctly follow in step 3 of part D. Step 3. Part. Oh, okay, yes. No, hold on. Password. D. Okay, so maybe I didn't do something here. Okay. Maybe we encrypt and decrypt data by using symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Mhm. Equal. Oops. Wow, it goes fast. Okay, equal. Um, encryption algorithms. And here it should be dot. Come on. Done. Mhm. Okay, in symmetric, we have a single key. That is here. Okay, maybe I added extra space. That's why. Okay, I don't know. Let's do it. Um, encrypt one. Decrypt. No, encrypt still. Encrypt. Mm, not sure. Evaluate. Hmm. Oh boy. Okay. Something is wrong. Make sure you follow the instruction. Reset. Reset. Command line. Terminal. Terminal. Make their version. Make their alpha, beta, gamma. Now move alpha to gamma, right? ls root. Move alpha to delta. ls root. So delta wasn't here before, and now it is. Sudo password root The password is encrypt. Encrypt 123. Encrypt 123. Echo. We encrypt and decrypt data. Okay, come on. Okay, enter. See, decrypt, encrypt, txt. Now with O, grab O, which is only encrypt, encrypt, txt. Now close all windows. Okay, cool. Next lab. Analyzing malware using Virustotal. Virustotal, cool. Virustotal is an online malware analysis service that allows users to upload a file and receive an analysis report from multiple antivirus engines. It is used to identify malicious files and their associated behaviors, as well as to detect false positives. The analysis report contains detailed information about the file, type, size, hashes, detection rate. It also contains a list of malicious behaviors that have been identified in the file. In addition, Virustotal can be used to detect malicious URLs, IP addresses, and domains. From the desktop, double-click Google Chrome and go to virustotal.com. Press enter. Click on choose file button. Choose file. And open local disk C. IP text. Click open. Okay. Navigate to details. Hash text magic Unicode text UTF-16 little and the text detection. Oh, it stopped working. No security vendors flagged this file. Saving file details. Right click anywhere under the details tab. I don't think this. Do I have to reset it? Resetting will clear your activity for this item. Sure. Whatever helps. Whatever helps. Virustotal.com. Details. Huh. Details tab and scroll down. Navigate to details. Scroll down to basic. The basic properties and history. Oh, now it works. Okay. Oh, come on. It worked for a bit. Come on, please. Uh-huh. Okay. Um, mhm. Click right click anywhere under details. Save as. Let me select documents. Type IP details. IP details. Okay. Close all windows. Incorrect. So, aha, because I didn't close the window. Okay. Correct. Okay, cool. Next lab. Device unavailable. Huh. All machines are in use. They are busy during my lab. Okay, cool. Really? How I should do this lab if the machines doesn't work? Really? Huh. Reload the page. Rewatch. 15 minutes. Please wait for 15 minutes. Really? 15 minutes. Okay, let's go to the next lab then because on connect. Okay. Enabling logging for audited objects. The audit policy is a set of rules that specify the types of events to be audited, and the actions to be taken when those events occur. It is important to configure the audit policy to log all changes made to the audited objects. This will ensure that any unauthorized changes are detected and appropriate action is taken. The audit policy can be configured using the Windows Group Policy Editor or the Local Security Policy Editor. Opening local security policy, local security policy, part B. I want to know, I will take a screenshot and I want to ask chat. Okay, what is regex? That's first. Second, what is local policy security? Okay, go. Regex, regular expression. It's a sequence of characters that define a search pattern. Regex is used in programming, cybersecurity, and command line, like grep, set, avg. Regular expression. What is policy? Local policy. Segball. MSC. Local policy are part of Windows security settings that apply to the local computer, not domain-wide. They are grouped into three main areas. Audit policy defines what activities get logged, logon attempts, file access. policy changes. User rights assignment defines which users or groups can perform certain actions. Security options, fine-grained settings to control system security behavior, require to log in. Security options restrict use of anonymous accounts, regex, pattern matching, language for text, local policies, Windows rules for auditing permissions, security options applied only on the local machine. Okay. Local policies, audit policy, access the audit object. Oh, audit object access, and check success and failure options under audit this and on the local tab and press OK. Exporting audit policy. Right click on audit policy and select export list to open the export list and select export list. Ooh. Right click. Oh, here. Okay. I didn't see that. And select export list. PC documents. Is PC documents. Window in the file. That's all. That's it. Lab summary. What did we learn here? This lab session provides you with a straightforward and practical understanding of enabling logging for auditing objects and how to set up and configure the audit policy. Okay. Audit these attempts. Yeah, but determining determining a malicious activity using tools and techniques. Success failure. Okay, I see. It changed here. But to understand this more, I will just ask. Does this do success and failure? What audit object access does? This policy controls whether Windows logs events when someone accesses objects such as files, folders, registry keys, and printers. It doesn't log everything by default. Instead, once you enable this, you also need to configure auditing on specific objects. Properties, security, advanced. success and failure. Logs an event when the access attempt succeeds. Failure logs an event when the access attempt fails due to permission. Now it's clearer why it matters. Detect insider threats if employees access sensitive data they shouldn't. Detect brute force or malware activity. Repeated failure logs can signal an attacker probing for weaknesses. Forensics and compliance. Auditing provides a trail of who accessed what and when. Okay? Is set to success and failure. That means Windows will log both successful and failed attempts to access audited objects. You can then review this event in Event Viewer, Windows Logs, and Security. I love those labs. Okay, close all windows, right? That's the record my answer. Okay, examining audited events. Okay, dun, dun, dun. Introduction. Audited events are activities that are monitored and recorded by an organization's security team to ensure that the organization's security policies are being followed. Audited events of activities. Audited events. Audited events can include activities such as user logins, file access, and system changes. Auditing is an important part of any organization's security strategy as it allows the security team to detect and investigate suspicious activity and take corrective action if necessary. Cool. Open Event Viewer. Event. Navigate to Windows Logs. Security. And under Actions, here, Access Filter Current Log Filter. This one? No. Mm, right pane, under Actions, click Filter Current Log. Excuse me, where? Yes. Okay, it's here. In the filter current log window, in the text box for event IDs, replace the default entry with 46 7 2. Click OK. In the Event Viewer window, in the lower section of the middle pane, review the General tab. Okay, it's here. It's very small. Okay, now we can see something. General. And verify the special privileges assigned to new logon is present. Uh, and verify special privileges. Okay. This assigned to new logon. Account name, administrator, UCertify, logon, ID, security ID. Part B, saving the filtered log file. In the right pane under Actions, access saved. No, save filter log file. And save the log file with the name event in the documents. Okay. Event. Click OK. Okay, that's evaluate. Record my answer. Okay, last lab, and then we have to go back to the 8th. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer used to capture and analyze network packets. Is this on? Reset. Powering on. I will have to. Okay, let's refresh the page. It doesn't work. Please work. Okay. Lab prerequisites. Um, why it says 11 labs out of 53? Huh. Not sure what happened, but we have a new lab. Okay, that's UCertify. Cool. A memory-based attack is a type of attack that aims to exploit the memory of a computer system in order to gain access to sensitive data or execute malicious code. Did I I did this. Okay, I will have to restart all the labs and see you soon.